Bonds.
That one.
Conductor.
Yeah, that's okay. All right, you guys. So our word today is this one. Anybody pronounce that? Conductor. Yeah, go to the next slide. How many syllables in conductor?
3.
3? How do you know? Because that's how many vowels there are, right? No vowel teams. So we've got the O, the U, the O. Next one. So this is how it's split up. You got a closed syllable on the first two. And then the last one, because there's an R, it's an R controlled, because it changes the sound as you move from the open syllable sound into the R. So it's going to modify it. So you have the long O sound that gets modified into the OR. Conductor means someone or something that conveys or moves something through. The root of the word is duct, right? Right here. Where do you know that from? Like duct tape? Yeah, that's where it's not duck like quack quack tape. It's duct because you use it to seal up seams and cracks and things that happen in ducts. Ducts are used for like heating. Like if you took the panels off of the ceiling, you would see all the ducting up there that moves the air, either warm or cold air. Also, you'd see it in like an aqueduct. You guys know what an aqueduct is? No? There's some still in Hemet that are in use, but mostly if you drive up the state, you cross over the California aqueduct. It moves water. An aqueduct, aqua means water, moves water from place to place. Okay, next slide. So here's some examples of conductor. Electricity needs a conductor in order to move. As the conductor, you could control the whole orchestra, and the interpretation of the music would be in your hands. So do you know this version of conductor? Like an orchestra? You ever seen that? The guy with the little wand that taps on the thing and controls the whole orchestra. He's the conductor. Here's a non-example. So this would not be how it's used. The hiker became a natural conductor of the forest sounds, blending in quietly as he walked along the path. Right? So something that blends in with what's existing is not the same because a conductor moves it through that, keeps it separate. Next. Can anybody think of an example of how you could use conductor? A sentence, a way that it's used? Go ahead.
He was the train conductor.
He was the train conductor, right? He's choosing which tracks to flow the train on and move it throughout its destination. Yeah, good job.